Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, July 21st, 2025. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and I hope it's been a great trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the latest and greatest various social platforms out there to keep up with all the content we put out there, just like this video here. All right, so we'll start with economic reports, and if I grab a pen, let's go ahead and do some highlighting there. So we've got an 8:30 report. Fed Chair Powell speaks 8:30. Listen, is it a big report? Markets closed. It's on Tuesday. Markets closed, but it's Powell, right? He could drive the markets all over the place. He may respond to what Trump has said of you need to go, you're horrible, we got to drop rates, you don't know what you're doing anymore, too old to do the job, whatever he's coming up with, right? He may respond to that. You may hear something else come out, but he's speaking, so you never know. Richmond report, that one is coming up at 10 o'clock. That's during the market, but it's orange. Existing home sales, 10 o'clock on Tuesday. Wednesday, it's orange. Thursday, we got 3 red reports. 2 of them are when the market's open. These are my biggest concerns. When I say biggest concerns, 9:45 a.m. on Thursday. They could have Purchasing Managers Index. They could have the biggest move on the market when the announcement comes out. So caution around them is all it is. Unemployment claims, yeah, it's 8:30, and unless you're trading futures, it's not going to affect you. And then we've got Friday, 2 pre-market reports. They're both orange. I don't care. I don't really see them doing anything to the overall market. All right, if we look at the market itself, the S&P 500, we did it again. Whoops, I did it again. Another all-time high. This is exactly what I wanted to see. I've been talking about this now for 2 weeks, where I'm loving that the moving average is climbing up on the 8. We're kind of tightening up in there. We've gotten to a point that we really can't do much more as far as get closer to this zone we've got there. It's darn near impossible. We've gone far up enough as we can without the S&P stopping and just going sideways for the next couple of days. It's not going to happen. Excuse me, not going to happen. That was some tickle. So it ain't going to happen. So what do? We pierce through the ice away. We just burst right through there today. All-time high on the open. We stretch up a little bit more. We pull back. It's a Friday. We've had some decent gains for the week. I'm not worried about it. We're back in the blue zone. What does that mean? Honey spot, folks. Honey spot. So what are we looking for? Look for Monday, Tuesday, somewhere in there. You know what? Let's go look at the whole fib. Let me unscrunch this first. We've got our entire Fibonacci in there. Let's scrunch it down now so we can get to that next level. Okay, so you're seeing that? So I'm going to get rid of some of the older stuff in there. We're going to unscrunch again and then scrunch it. It's just easier to see this way. So what am I looking for now? What I'd love to see happen at this point and expect to happen. We may get some more pullback and run back to the 8, and that's very possible. But I think from here we can make our move up. Ideally, we get a small close above this 6,300 level, somewhere in there. We may go a little bit higher than that. You may get a wick and we get a pullback. I just want to finally see the close above that 6,300. Now, it's 10 minutes to 4 right now, Eastern time. Market's got 10 minutes left. Is it possible we could do that today? It is, but highly unlikely, right? As it closes there, pullback, bounce, and that could literally be Monday, move up, pullback, bounce. It could be move up, close here on Monday, pull back on Tuesday and bounce, or on Wednesday or on Thursday. And I'm okay with that. But I'm expecting the next move to be a bigger move, right? Normally these types of moves, when they are a breakout like this, all-time highs, things like that, the move comes off of bigger volume, giving us larger momentum directionally. Doesn't mean it's going to stay high. We're going to continue bullish. No, we may run up and pull right back down. Day trade. Actually, take it a step further. Micro day trading is what we want to do. Right? And then we've got the VIX, which is fear. Fear's, it's up 4 cents today. It's nothing. We're at 16.56 right now. There's nothing there, guys. It's just we're super low on fear right now. So what is there to be fearful of? Nothing. We ain't got that much further to move. Right? I mean, look where we are. I mean, we're at pretty much the lows that we've seen for the last 5 or 6 months at this point. Close to them at this point. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you at our next update. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.